Hey people, so today we are back again. These little rabbits, little chicks look a little bigger since yesterday. I'm so surprised. That means, in fact, the pink one is the biggest, I guess. My son says the green one is the smallest, and I think I can see why that is. Like, it is the smallest. So I have to let me see if I could wipe them because that's important. So yeah, wipe them because the color is bad for them, right? And I think I'll bring their food also. They eat my I was told dalia. Dalia is, I don't know what's it called in English, porridge I think. So yeah, so that's what it is. Very fine dalia, very patli dalia. Fine porridge, but in the raw form obviously. But apparently they can eat it even cooked. But yeah, these are adorable. Yeah, I can spend a lifetime watching them because they are just so cute.